In the wild, survival is a constant battle. Animals have developed incredible tools to stay alive, and one of the most effective is venom. It's a silent weapon, a hidden power that can turn the tables in an instant. Imagine a snake, perfectly still, waiting for its moment. With a single lightning-fast strike, it delivers a potent cocktail of chemicals that can paralyze, digest, or even stop the heart of its prey. This is the world of venom, a place of high stakes and incredible biology. It's a world I've explored my whole life, and it never fails to fill me with awe. Venom isn't about evil, it's about survival, a masterful adaptation that gives its wielder a critical edge. Many people get venom and poison mixed up, but they are very different. The rule is simple. If you bite it and you get sick, it's poisonous. If it bites you and you get sick, it's venomous. Poison is a passive defense. A brightly colored frog, for example, has toxins in its skin. A predator that eats it will become ill or die, learning a harsh lesson. Venom, on the other hand, is an active weapon. It has to be injected. This is done through specialized tools like fangs, stingers, or spines. The venomous animal makes a deliberate choice to use its weapon, injecting its cocktail directly into another creature's body. This distinction is crucial for understanding how these animals live. A poisonous animal relies on its predator making a mistake. It advertises its danger with bright colors, a warning that says, "Don't eat me." A venomous animal is often the hunter, not the hunted. It uses camouflage to hide, waiting for the perfect moment to ambush its next meal. The venom is not just for killing, it's also a way to subdue prey that might be much larger or stronger than the attacker. It's a powerful equalizer, allowing a small spider to take down a large insect or a snake to overpower a fast-moving rodent without a struggle. The purpose of venom is all about efficiency. Hunting is risky and uses a lot of energy. A physical fight could lead to injury, which can be a death sentence in the wild. Venom removes much of that risk. It allows the predator to strike quickly and then retreat to a safe distance while the venom does its work. For some animals, the venom even begins the process of digestion before the meal is even eaten. This incredible chemical weapon is a key to success, a testament to the amazing and sometimes brutal ingenuity of nature's evolutionary arms race. It's a powerful force that commands our deepest respect. Venom is not a new invention. Its history stretches back hundreds of millions of years, long before the dinosaurs. The first venomous creatures likely lived in the ancient oceans. Fossil evidence suggests that some extinct sea scorpions, called eurypterids, may have had venomous tails. These ancient predators ruled the seas, and venom would have been a game-changing tool for catching fish and other marine life. Over time, as life moved onto land, venom evolved in new and diverse ways. Insects, spiders, and centipedes were among the first land animals to develop this deadly chemistry, creating a world where a tiny hunter could be a formidable threat. The ways animals deliver venom are as varied as the animals themselves. Snakes are the most famous, with their incredible hollow fangs that act like hypodermic needles. Some, like vipers, have long, hinged fangs that fold back against the roof of their mouth. Others, like cobras, have shorter, fixed fangs at the front. Spiders use sharp fangs called chelicerae to pierce their prey's exoskeleton. Scorpions have a classic stinger on their tail, the telson, which they can whip over their head to strike with precision. In the ocean, a box jellyfish trails tentacles loaded with millions of explosive stinging cells called nematocysts, which fire tiny venom-filled harpoons on contact. But venom isn't just for snakes and spiders. Some of the most surprising members of the venom club are mammals. The male platypus, a unique creature from Australia, has a sharp spur on each of its hind legs. This spur can deliver a venom so painful that it can incapacitate a grown human. Another surprise is the slow loris, a cute primate from Southeast Asia. It has glands on its elbows that secrete a toxin. When threatened, the loris will lick these glands, mixing the toxin with its saliva to create a venomous bite. These examples show that venom is a successful strategy that has evolved independently in many different branches of the animal kingdom. The evolution of venom is a perfect example of an arms race. As prey animals develop defenses, like thicker skin or resistance to certain toxins, predators must evolve more potent or faster-acting venom to keep up. This constant back and forth has created an incredible diversity of venomous cocktails around the world. Each venom is perfectly tailored to its owner's lifestyle and the specific prey it hunts. It's a complex and fascinating story of adaptation, a chemical warfare that has been raging for millions of years, shaping the ecosystems we see today. It's a reminder that even the smallest creature can pack a mighty punch. Venom is not a single substance, but a complex cocktail of proteins and enzymes, each with a specific job. Scientists often group venoms into broad categories based on what they do. The most famous are neurotoxins, which attack the nervous system. These venoms work by blocking the signals between nerves and muscles, leading to paralysis. The prey is left helpless, unable to fight back or run away. This is the strategy used by animals like the black mamba and the blue-ringed octopus. Their venom is incredibly fast-acting, shutting down the victim's body in minutes, including the muscles that control breathing. Another major type is hemotoxins, which target the blood and circulatory system. Some hemotoxins cause the blood to clot, creating blockages that lead to heart attacks or strokes. Others do the opposite, preventing the blood from clotting at all and causing massive internal bleeding. Rattlesnakes are well known for their potent hemotoxic venom. A bite from one can cause severe swelling, tissue damage, and a breakdown of the blood vessels. This type of venom can be slower to act than a neurotoxin, but the damage it causes is devastating and widespread throughout the body. Then there are cytotoxins, which work on a more local level by destroying cells and tissues. The venom of a puff adder, for example, is full of cytotoxic compounds. A bite causes extreme pain, blistering and necrosis, where the flesh around the bite begins to die and rot away. This not only helps to kill and subdue the prey, but also starts to break down its body, essentially pre-digesting it from the inside out. Many venoms are not just one type. They are a complex mixture containing neurotoxic, hemotoxic, and cytotoxic components to ensure they are as effective as possible. This incredible chemical complexity is what makes venom so useful to humans. For every toxin that destroys, there is a potential to heal. Scientists are studying venom to create life-saving medicines. For example, a protein from the venom of the Brazilian pit viper was used to develop captopril, a hugely successful drug for treating high blood pressure. The venom of the Gila monster, a lizard from the American Southwest, led to a new treatment for type 2 diabetes. By understanding how these toxins work, we can unlock their secrets to fight human diseases. It's a field full of promise, turning nature's deadliest weapons into powerful tools for healing. Venomous animals are not mindless killers. They are intelligent survivors. Producing venom takes a lot of energy, and they can't afford to waste it. A snake knows that once it uses its venom, it might have to wait for its body to make more, leaving it vulnerable. Because of this, many animals have remarkable control over their weapon. Snakes can deliver what's known as a dry bite, where they strike without injecting any venom at all. This is often a warning shot, a way of saying, back off, without using up their precious resource. They can also control the dose, injecting just enough to subdue their prey and no more. When a venomous bite does happen to a human, the main treatment is antivenom. Antivenom is created by milking venom from an animal and injecting small, non-lethal doses into a large host animal like a horse or a sheep. The host's immune system produces antibodies to fight the venom. Scientists then collect the host's blood, purify these antibodies, and turn them into antivenom. When given to a bite victim, these antibodies neutralize the venom in their bloodstream. It's an amazing process, but creating antivenom is expensive and difficult, and each one is specific to a particular species or region. This creates a huge problem, especially in rural, tropical regions where venomous snake bites are most common. In parts of Africa, Asia, and South America, getting the right antivenom to a victim in time can be nearly impossible. Hospitals might be too far away, or they may not have the specific antivenom needed for the local snakes. The cost is also a major barrier for many families. This lack of access means that tens of thousands of people die from snake bites every year, and many more are left with permanent disabilities. It is a silent public health crisis that needs more attention and resources. In the end, it's vital to see venom not as something evil, but as a natural and essential part of the world. These animals are not out to get us. They are simply trying to survive, to hunt, and to defend themselves. Venom is a tool for life, a key to balance in the ecosystem. It keeps rodent populations in check and plays a role in countless food webs. By studying venom, we not only create new medicines, but also gain a deeper understanding of the intricate web of life. These incredible creatures deserve our respect, not our fear. We must learn to coexist with them, giving them their space and appreciating the powerful silent role they play on our planet.